There's no doubt that content is king when it comes to online marketing. But many business owners don't realize that content isn't just for driving traffic to your site. It can also generate leads. In this video, we'll outline a few ways you can use content to get more leads from your website. Keep watching to learn more. Content marketing is a strategy that small businesses use to connect with potential customers and drive sales. This type of marketing focuses on creating high-quality content. This could be blog posts, social media updates, and videos that help engage and capture potential customers' interest. In addition, small business owners can use content marketing tactics to generate leads and attract new clients by targeting relevant keywords and sharing useful information that caters specifically to their target audience. As a small business owner, throwing any content out there to generate leads can be tempting. However, simply posting random information is not enough. In order to truly capture potential customers' attention and encourage them to take action, small business owners must carefully consider the type of content they are putting out. This means creating content that not only informs and engages readers, but also highlights the unique qualities and strengths of their brand. Through strategically planned content marketing efforts, small businesses can establish themselves as industry experts and ultimately drive more leads. So, before hitting publish on your next blog post, ask yourself, does this content showcase my business and encourage potential customers to take action? If not, it might be time to rethink your content strategy. As a small business owner, marketing can be tricky. Traditional methods like advertising can be costly, and it can be difficult to stand out among larger competitors. Small businesses can attract potential customers and build relationships with them by creating valuable, informative content. This not only generates leads, but also positions the small business as an expert in their industry. By regularly producing content such as blog posts, podcasts, or videos, small businesses can establish themselves as trusted sources of information and ultimately drive sales. However, it's important to remember that effective content marketing requires consistency and a focus on quality over quantity. Small businesses should prioritize creating valuable content over simply churning out a large volume of content. In the long run, investing time and effort into building meaningful relationships through content marketing will pay off. As a small business owner, you may be wondering how to produce quality online content that helps generate leads. Luckily, there are a few simple tips you can follow to ensure that your content is high quality and engaging. First, when planning your content, think about what your audience wants to see. What kind of information will they find helpful or interesting? Make sure to provide value in your content and avoid being too salesy or self-promotional. Second, pay attention to your writing style. Write in a clear and concise manner, and make sure your grammar and spelling are correct. Also, try to use an active voice as much as possible. Third, use strong visuals in your content. Whether it's photos, infographics, or videos, incorporating visuals into your posts makes them more engaging and likely to be shared. Every small business needs a content marketing strategy. After all, without a plan, it can be difficult to produce consistent, high-quality content that attracts and converts leads. But where do you start? The following steps help you create a small business content marketing strategy that gets results. First, take inventory of your existing content. What assets do you have to work with? Be sure to consider blog posts, ebooks, infographics, webinars, and more. Once you know what you have to work with, you can start thinking about how to best repurpose and repackage your content to reach new audiences. Next, identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your content? What kind of information are they looking for? Answering these questions helps you create content that resonates with your audience and drives results. Finally, determine which channels work best for reaching your target audience. Will they be most receptive to email marketing, social media, paid advertising? Once you know where your audience hangs out online, you can start creating content specifically for those channels. By following these steps, you can develop a small business content marketing strategy that helps you better connect with your target audience and drive results. Your customers are already being inundated with content. It's more important than ever to ensure the content you're putting out there is high quality and encourages action. Every piece of content you create should work towards building relationships and furthering your business goals. By following these tips and focusing on creating a strong content marketing strategy, you can set your company up for success. Would you like help getting started? Our team at SwingPointMedia specializes in developing custom content strategies that achieve real results. SwingPointMedia is a marketing company focused on using content marketing, such as written articles, videos, and podcasts, to attract their customers' ideal audiences. This approach has proven to attract higher quality customers while simultaneously reducing the sales cycle by as much as 70%. SwingPointMedia serves local businesses in Southern California and can be reached by calling 760-422-5176. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you.